Alright guys, it's that time again. I gotta change the brakes on the wife's Hyundai. So just for fun, I'm gonna show you the power of the Milwaukee Gen 3 impact driver, not the wrench. Now I could use any one of my impact wrenches to do this, but I want to use the Gen 3 just to show you guys how versatile this tool is. Got a 22 millimeter on there. Of course, I couldn't find my Milwaukee adapter. Got to use a stinking Ryobi adapter, but it gets the job done. Let's see. We are on speed 3. Speed 3. You see that? Where's the camera? There. 1, 2, 3. Forward, reverse. Oh, excuse me. This is a 21 millimeter, not 22. Did I say 22? There we go. Look at that. Like freaking butter. Did you guys see that? Brand new Ryobi adapter. Frickin' snapped it. Good lordy. See, that's some frickin' power right there. Hope I can get the dang thing out. There it goes. Got it out. God, that cracks me up. That's the second or third adapter I've broken with this impact driver. The only one that I haven't broken is my Makita Gold adapter. For some reason, that one seems to be a little bit better built. You guys can kind of see the grain structure of the metal in here. Isn't the best. It actually looks pretty damn cheap if you ask me. Alright, let's get the good one. Alright, here we go. We have the old tried but true Ryobi P260. Now, I just sold my P261 just because I don't need 4 impact wrenches, guys. I know I didn't do a video on it, but I just really don't care. So this one doesn't have speeds on it. It's just variable speed trigger. Like butter. Easy, easy.